all of these custom shirts that have been previously requested.
Previously.
Oh, I forgot our little intro. Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash or sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes or so. We're going to twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. This is going to be a old school tie-dye, I quote.
I'm just gonna do, here's what I'm gonna do for his. I'm gonna do blue and green on the front and then do black on the back. I think that would be.
Just 3 colors. Nice basic. Very manly. Throw some red in there, want some red now. And some orange.
Stan, if you end up watching this, I just don't think I could make it work with the colors that you said.
Yeah, it's hard to do
Warm and cool.
3/4 of a rainbow. 2/3, I should say. I don't know. To the dye rack?
Let's go.
Birds chirping as you can hear, people. Better do some tie-dye.
Okay, so
We got, what is that?
turquoise. We're gonna do some lime pop.
Lime pop. Very, very light green, yellowish green. Good transition. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? Wonderful gradient. A little more turquoise.
Do a little touch up.
A little bit right there, you know, get that good gradient going. That's what I'm talking about.
Just the little details.
You know, it's the little things. Flip it to the flop.
I need my rag. We'll get that later. I appreciate it.
We've got better black. So, all told, on this one we have turquoise, lime pop, and better black. Beautiful trifecta of color. Look at that thing. To the drying rack. Bottom shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.